good morning everybody. It's very early on Christmas morning. It's still dark. Now normally at this time of day on Christmas morning the only people who are up are, well, okay, maybe there's several million children opening their presents, but that's probably what Christmas morning's for them. But for us old fogies, well, it's best if we just stay in bed and look forward to a cup of coffee a bit later. But I heard a noise downstairs, so I got up, went downstairs, and there was a bit of a parcel. Here it is, and I thought, what on earth is that? And it says on it, Mr. Bill, Lockdown Electronics, very urgent. So I've opened it up. There's a bit of an electronics kit in it. I don't quite know what it is, but there's a note, and it says, Dear Mr. Bill of Lockdown Electronics, we are in terrible trouble. We need one more Christmas decoration, and we need it before the sun comes up on Christmas Day. Can you help us, please? Signed, Santa's Helpers. Gosh, well, I can't refuse on Christmas Day, can I? I'd better get building. Well, that's the first half done. Is it getting light? Oh, not sure. I'm going to have to work even faster on the second half. Okay, here goes. Whew. Well, that was a bit of a rush, but anyway, it's working, and first time. Not all my kits have worked first time, and I'm sure you've come across that too, but when we really mattered, it actually worked, so that's great. And she looks rather nice, so I'm pleased with that, and hope you've enjoyed watching that rather rapid kit build. It certainly woke me up on Christmas morning. Anyway, thanks for watching. Wherever you are, whether you celebrate it or not, I wish you a good day, Merry Christmas, whatever it is, and let's hope that 2021 is going to be a little bit better for everybody than 2020 was, and we can hopefully get rid of what Adrian on Adrian's Digital Basement calls the human malware, i.e. the COVID, and hopefully we can have a better year. So anyway, from all of us here, Merry Christmas. See you on the next one.